Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on microservices using Python. As we have gone through few videos on microservices such as introduction to microservices, then Flask microservices FastAPI tutorial with get method and post method, and the latest video was path parameter using microservices. Today's video is really interesting and creative. Today's video we are going to see Python microservices connection to MySQL using FastAPI. First of all, we will go to app directory in which we have two files, that is the database.py connection string. We will go through that. This is connection string file and main file. Users, it will here the command is select star from users, that means user will be visible. Post in the sense. Now I will execute the program. I will show you the database first of all. Select star from here. Two users are there, Sachin and Virat. Now I will execute the program. Yes, fine. Now, yes, two users are visible, Sachin and Virat. So I successfully done with using FastAPI MySQL connectivity. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on microservices, more creative videos on machine learning using Python, more creative videos on web development, more creative videos on Node.js, React.js, merge stack, full stack, if possible natural language processing, if possible some different data analyst, that is pandas and data science if possible. So for latest update of my Python videos, so keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.